Alright, welcome everyone. As you can see today I've got the Hoth Rebel Commander and yet another Rebel Soldier. So I just keep finding these guys. I think this is the last one. I know it makes my third one, so I guess technically I've got 4 on 4 with the Stormtroopers yesterday. Guys need to be cleaned up yet again. He's got, they're all, I'm pretty sure they came out with the soldier first. It's sort of a first run thing. And then they started bringing out the other people as they realized they could sell more action figures with more. They had more colors and stuff. Let's see. But I showed a lot of more on these guys, but they're all the same basically. On those guys, this guy seems to be in pretty good shape. Better than some of the last one I had. Of course, this guy is the boss. He had the, you can tell it's the boss because he had a scarf or face covering or whatever, and the Tom Selleck mustache. Of course, that made all the difference in the world. I get it to focus on it. In the early '80s, a manly mustache like that meant something. And of course, the all white means he shows all the dirt much better. But the paint and everything appears to be pretty good on him. The little wear and tear on the edge of his whatever that is, scarf, I guess. The paint on his backpack looks good. All this, I'll say, not little discoloration, I'd say, but not too bad with this guy. They're going to go into their little sarcophagi or whatever they're going to be. They're not. I'll say, he came with like a gun that actually had like a shoulder strap on it or something, from what I remember. I don't remember his gun. I'll have to look on eBay and see what their gun looks like. Got one sort of loose arm there. This guy's arms are actually pretty good shape. But anyway, that's them. Gonna stick with the Hoth theme tomorrow, so make sure and stay tuned. I got something I think's gonna be really good at the end of the week. I hope y'all enjoy it. But that being said, if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe because I'm gonna keep going for a while yet. Bye, everyone.